are going to present you about adjective. So first, what is adjective? So adjective is a word that can modify a noun or can provide information to the noun or pronouns itself. So how is adjective used? You can use in the front of the beginning of noun. First, we're gonna show you what adjective does. So adjective does something that modifies or provides information to the nouns or pronouns, as answering some kind of questions as what kind is the noun, how many is the noun, or which one is the noun or pronoun. So now we are going to show you how adjective are used in a sentence. So first, there are one attribute that is before the noun. So adjective can be used directly before the noun in the sentence. Example is
so here, the noun had act as the noun, while the beautiful acts as the adjective or the property of the noun. It means that the hat she wears is pretty much beautiful objectively or objectively.
okay. So the next type of adjective that can be how to use adjective in the sentence. The next one is after a linking verb. So this appears after a linking verb such as like, is, was, seems, feel, or smells, and describe the subjects of the sentence.
Obvious linking verb, by the way, was exactly like cow. Big fat cow. Yes. Happy. So here, the cow acts as the noun, is acts as the linking verb, and happy is the adjective or the property of the cow.
Okay, so now let's move on to the types of adjective. First being descriptive adjective. Will be explained by Jales.
Alright guys, descriptive adjective is modification announced by describing but a quality or characteristic such as size, color, and size.
Okay, so now we are going to show you what is descriptive adjective is. First, descriptive adjective is just as same as the first or second example. For descriptive adjective,
Isn't it too small for the audience?
I'm sorry. So the example of the sentence will be explained by David. So here we have an example of descriptive adjective. We have an example of a sentence that is using the descriptive adjective. We saw a beautiful sunset. So as Jalas mentions, descriptive adjective is an adjective that is describing the object. What did they have, or what is the characteristic of the object. So this beautiful is acting as an adjective, and the sunset is the noun or the subject.
Moving on to the next kind of
Moving on to the next kind of adjective.
So we have quantitative adjective. Can you explain what or how do you use the quantitative adjective?
Quantitative adjective function is tell you how much or how many of something there is.
Example, like
Mari kamu dari sebelah kanan aja biar kelihatan. Ya.
one of the example of the use of quantitative adjective is there's a lot of apple. A lot is the adjective, and apple is the noun where the adjective describes the quantity. That's pretty much how it works.
Next is the demonstrative adjective, which is going to be explained by Darius. Mister, di sini nanti. Attention,
Attention please guys. Attention please guys.
Tulis aja function. Functionnya apa? Function demonstratif adjective. Namanya ya.
It's okay. Okay. We accept everything, man.
Yes.
We know.
Okay, so I will explain the demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective is used to point out specific nouns to specify which one is being referred to. And this is the one of the example. This is the adjective.
Yes.
This adjective is used to refer to the book.
That is well written.
This is a noun. Okay.
There's actually more than three type of adjective, but it's just too much to fit in one presentation. So that's all we can explain for today. Sorry if we missed something, or maybe there's some explanation that are not being covered yet. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Do you have any questions?
Okay, before we actually leave, is there any question? Okay, Giora first.
You first.
You
What
first,
is
you
the
first.
difference between adjective and adverb?
Let me answer please. Let me answer. Yes.
Good.
Siapa lagi yang mau nanya?
Mana?
Who wants to
Adverb atau verb?
adverb.
Okay.
Who wants to ask?
Alright. So,
Question.
can you tell me a generic example to distinguish between adjective and a verb? Thank you.
Adverb or verb?
Verb. Kata kerja.
Okay.
Okay.
Good question.
Good question.
Thank you, Amir,
Yes.
for your
Thank you.
question.
While Revan will answer Giora, I will try to answer Ahnaf's question. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now let me answer Giora's question. What is the difference between adjective and
Adverbs.
adverbs? Everybody set aside and let me explain this. First is adjective. Adjective, as we know, is to modify or give information to noun. So this will add a new word such as. Let me use an example of a sentence. The quick brown fox.
Nice.
Right here we got quick. This is an adjective. Next is adverbs. Here we know that adverbs. Let me tell you what adverb is. So adverb modifies a noun like changing the verb of nouns. So this will add a new word to provide information to the noun, but this will modify the noun and this will modify the verb just like this. The brown fox runs quick.
Nice.
You got your answers?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Good girl.
Alright.
Good boy.
Alright, since Revan already answered your question, now it's my time to actually answer Ahnaf's question. But Ahnaf, can you actually set up the laptop for meeting that about to yes. Okay, the difference between a verb and adjective. Verb, yeah, is
Yes.
to describe what something is doing, right?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, please. Verb. Example of verb such as working, fishing, or maybe like sleeping. While adjective pretty much just tells you about the property or the description of a noun. So something like big, small, or deep. Oke, kalau di bahasa Indonesia, verb itu kan kata kerja yang menunjukkan sesuatu yang dikerjakan atau aktivitas dari suatu hal. Misalnya sebuah bola menggelinding itu kan bukan sesuatu yang mendeskripsikan sifat bola itu, tapi melainkan apa yang bola itu lakukan atau apa yang terjadi dengan bola itu. Sedangkan kalau adjektif itu menjelaskan tentang deskripsi atau sifat suatu benda. Misalnya sebuah bola besar itu kan adalah sifat, itulah adalah adjektif. Atau misalnya sebuah akun berwarna biru menjelaskan sifat dari akun tersebut. That's pretty much the difference between verb and adjective. Any more question? Or that's all okay? Enough?
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
You guys sure there's no any question? You're still open?
Bapak.
Oh,
Can you give us question?
Okay,
Okay.
Kakak, you know.
Ini beneran mau nanya atau enggak?
Lagunya panjang sih, tapi-
Tadi soalnya di
Jordan, you want a question, Jordan? Satu question.
Mau nanya berat ya?
Just ask, guys. We can
Please.
answer.
Anyone else want to ask question about what we
Putra,
Zula,
last question, Putra.
Kalau you nggak ada yang nanya, ayam aja.
Tadi kayaknya di sini ada yang angkat tangan ya, Pak?
Mau nanya?
Tadi mau nanya, yes, please.
Yes.
Please.
It's videoin mas.
Di situ.
Okay, I will just answer there. Yes, color depends on where you put it. It is descriptive because it explains something's property, pretty much descriptive.
Yes, but if you're getting deep into the red, maybe like the color, you're like describing the color. Red is like it's for like maybe like some like angry kind of vibe. Then it will not be used as adjective, guys. Yes. Okay. Anybody want to ask again? That's all?
Yes.
Okay, that's all.
Yes,
Yes. Putra.
What's your
What's your question?
What's the brother?
What's your
Grandfather. Longer, please. Longer.
Indonesia mau apa?
Gak
Ya, ya, ya.
It's okay.
It's okay. Noted.
It's okay, baby.
Tiga contoh kalimat itu adjektif.
Hah?
Ya,
Subjek.
adjektif.
Udah, zoom, udah 12.30, zoom.
Okay,
Halo,
Respect, guys. Respect, please.
okay, could you guys please answer this question? I will set up the Zoom meeting. Thank you. I am sorry, guys.
Three
It's okay.
example of
It's okay.
adjective will be explained by
Darius.
by Davi. By Alvan. Yes.
Yes.
Woi, kabel proyektor mana, woi?
Please attention, guys.
Attention. You yang nanya attention.
Example of adjective, right? Okay.
You question example is in
Itu zoomnya wajib gak sih?
Wajib.
Wajib.
Ngapain emang?
Semuanya harus ikut ulangan.
Semuanya harus ikut.
Iya.
Tapi kan kalau apa kalau
Itu kan bicara, guys. Ya kita cuma kayak dikasih edukasi gitu loh, guys.
Attention, please. Guys, hening heula.
Kan dilihat guanya.
Is the example of descriptive adjective. Putra, look at that. Grandfather.
Udah.
I'm gonna read that for
Gak usah.
I'm gonna read that for you.
Cukup.
Is that enough?
Yes, you know?
Yes.
Enough?
You understand?
Yes.
Understand? You understand? Yes.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you for the question.
Thank you for all of the questions. Thank you guys for listening to this presentation.
Yes.
That's all